Hello Professor, and this is my demonstration of the ZenMap, which is the Nmap application. First, I will do the ping scan. As you can see, the ping scan is the most basic function of the Nmap, and it identifies all of the IP addresses that are currently online without any sending any packets to these hosts. So it means this scan is very safe, and it just meant to identify all the active hosts in our network. Next, I will try the regular scan. The purpose of this regular scan is to identify all port where people connect in our network, because we may, as the network owner, we might want to know what port are being used and know what port needs to be modified, and it states in here the service SSH state is open, as well as HTTP, which is internet, and nping echo and elite. And in some cases, when we modify our service, for example, HTTP as filter, it may mean that we are applying a firewall or packet filtering, which is closely related to firewall, to deny any DOS attack, which is a denial of service attack. Next up is the intent scan. The intent scan is a very intrusive and deep intrusive because it sends packets to the server, to the network, which may cause a denial of service attack, because not all server can undertake much packets and it might be overload. But this method of scanning is very deep and comprehensive, as it is able to detect all the problems inside our network by sending all the packets and see how it jumps over and over again, and it is able to read and understand and detect the operating system. As we can see here, operating system here is the script scanning, which we can see the encryption code, and it can detect the operating system, the version detection, as we can see here, Linux 2.632 to Linux 3.5, and this is a way that the attacker can see the operation and they find a good way to attack the system. This is the IP addresses. And next up, we're gonna move on to the OWASP ZAP, and we're gonna attack this website. As I've already commenced the attack, I will stop it and do it from the start. Do it from the beginning.